So today I wanted to just announce something that's really exciting. This is the first time I've done this, and it's not going to be the last. For anyone who joins my Patreon, starting today and it ends on Sunday for the month of October here, I am giving away Louie the BOO-LICIOUS Halloween bat. So I will be drawing a person's name on Monday the 7th of October. And this is just going to be one of these things that I will do periodically as a special thank you to my patrons who are in the Frizzy Crocheters or my Inner Hive. Now, if you aren't sure about whether or not you are interested in joining Patreon, let me just tell you a little bit about it. I think it's something that you'll love. If you love my patterns and you love the content that I put out here on YouTube, then you are going to love Patreon. Every single month, I come out with an exclusive pattern for my Frizzy Crocheters and my Inner Hive. I also come out with additional patterns that I just throw in there as well. And these patterns all end up in the pattern vault, which is always going to be accessible by the Inner Hive. So each month, if you are a Frizzy Crocheter, you'll get a chance to download that pattern. And then after the month ends and the next pattern comes up, it then goes to the vault. And as I said, the Inner Hive will always have access to those patterns. So not only that, I'm also doing random giveaways. I'm doing giveaways once a month to my Inner Hive for something small, little crochet lovely that's made by me. Discounts off in my shops, 20% off for my Inner Hive for both the Frizzy Bee shop and the Yummy Cats shop. Access to the Discord, access to exclusive content, polls, Q&As as well. And I also, for the Inner Hive, will join them in additional live sessions where we get to crochet and chat 2 times a month, and we hang out and have our coffees and work on our whips together. So I hope you will consider joining. If you join again on the Frizzy Crocheters or the Inner Hive for the next few days through Sunday, I will be picking a winner on Monday, and they will be getting Louie the Halloween bat. He is a perfect new Halloween decoration for your house. He sits perfectly on a mantle, desktop, fireplace, anything. Any flat surface, he will sit beautifully. Till next time, see you later. Goodbye.